The first YouTube AI feature you really want to use as a creator is the Ask Studio AI assistant. To use this tool, at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see this button here that is shaped somehow like a star called the Ask Studio. Click on it and you can see the kind of questions you can ask and get answers from this assistant. How can Ask Studio help me? Summarize comments, suggest new video ideas, summarize my channel performance. And you can click to have more suggestions as well. Let's say I click on summarize my channel performance, for instance. Channel overview last 28 days. You can see the number of views I had here, the watch time in hours, subscribers, impression. This is just great because now you don't have to do everything manually. You can just get everything summarized for you here on one screen. So here I have key insights and recommendations. Double down on voice chat content. The Roblox voice chat ranking video is clearly a winner. Consider creating a part 2 or applying a similar ranking format to other trending games to capitalize on this momentum. So I have the impressions versus click-through rate. Your impression increased by 56%, but your click-through rate CTR grew even more by 52%, reaching 5.49%. This suggests that your current thumbnails and titles for that specific topic are resonating well with viewers. This is subscriber growth. You have insights to all of this. And on top of this screen here, you can see we have other questions. How did viewers find my content? How many new viewers did I reach? Summarize my last video performance. Once you click on any of this, you're going to get response here. As you can see, find your top performing content. Over the last 28 days, your viewers primarily discovered your content through YouTube search, which drove nearly 90% of your total views. This is a strong indicator that your videos are ranking well for topics people are actively looking for. Down here, I have more information, traffic source breakdown, last 28 days. If you're a creator, you should be using this by now, to be honest. Basically, this gives you insight to your channel performance and everything you need to know, all summarized in one particular screen. You don't really have to do much. You can see that on a video like this, you can just click on catch me up on this video. So we have the answer. Ranking Smart Cart Moment Part 2 is performing exceptionally well in capturing initial interest, though it sees a steady decline as the video progresses. Since its release on February 19, 2026, it has earned 19,322 views, which is within your typical range for result rank. Here we have what's working well. You have recommendations, things you could do to improve. This is like getting advice on how to do better with your channel for free, to be honest. The insight you get from this is amazing. Trust me, you want to be using this as a creator. Do you know about this feature already? Have you used it? Have you tried it out? What was your experience? I'd like to hear from you in the comment section. Another amazing AI feature on YouTube is the inspiration tab. Now, to get the inspiration tab, at the left menu here, click on content, and here you have the inspiration tab. Click on the inspiration tab. As you can see, it says spark your next great idea. With this tool, you get ideas on what videos you could make next. Like on this channel, I actually make ranking videos. As you can see, it says ranking most dramatic golden retriever reaction to new robot vacuum cleaners, ranking best parrots mimicking Zoom call meeting notifications and ringtone sounds. You could get some inspiration or get some ideas from maybe 3 of these suggestions and make one video from it. These are the 2 AI features I'm currently exploring on the YouTube Creator Studio, and I find them really interesting and helpful. I hope you do as well, and I also like to hear your experience. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.